Okay, here we're gonna do this garden tour. Here's my tree. Um, my neighbor, something's growing out of my neighbor's yard into my trees. And so now my tree is full of this vine. I don't know what this is. I keep cutting it, but I'm doing a lot of work. I'm throwing stuff out and moving stuff, and so don't ask me what stuff is, because I don't know what everything is. I just know what some stuff is. But you know, we got the trees. This right here used to be my deck, and we done pulled the deck up, and so this is what it's looking like. But I gotta get all this stuff up, and y'all see my little forest. I have a forest back here in my backyard, and I was told that I don't need oh, my fence, looks like my fence is about to fall, so I definitely got to get a new fence. So that's gonna be the next thing I have to do, like right now, is a fence. But yeah, my corn is growing. Look, I need to rub some of that stuff, put some of them things down there. Look, y'all, I got husk. Yeah, so, but here's one side of the garden and my little greenhouse. I don't have nothing in here yet. It's too hot to put anything in there. And then that's a hobby, I forgot what it is, but here's my okra. I got all kinds of okra. I need to come and get my okra. Yeah, I gotta come get my okra, y'all. I forgot my stuff. But yeah, then here's the other side of the garden. I gotta take this down. This is my grafting, but I haven't grafted anything on there, but you know. And then this my little tent. My working station that I'm gonna be working and doing my work in. Oh shit, this shirt is hot. Then here's my mess that I need to clean up and move and get out the way. And then I come around here to this side. Yeah, y'all. See where the hornworm, I had got that hornworm, baby. That thing was fat too. Yeah, but I gotta go through and work. I have a lot of work to do, a lot on my hands at this moment. So just take that moment. And I don't know what this is growing, but it's coming up. It was standing up yesterday. So it's trying to find, it's reaching for something. It's trying to find something to grab on to. But yeah, I need to pull those weeds out of there, because I do have other seeds in there. And look like my beets didn't make it. Ground cherry doing all right. And then my little shade for my banana tree, but I need them other ones to come up so I can have more shade. And my little hammy didn't do too well, so I'm going to pull that up. But mustard greens is coming along. And this doggone thing want to do his own thing. Yeah. Oops. Let's see here. I gotta keep trying to guide this thing upward. So, but I'll get it later. And there's the tour. Here's those doggone hibiscus leaves that I keep plucking. Y'all keep telling me not to pluck them, but look how big this thing is. It's time to pluck them again. You know, I'm gonna pluck it. I ain't listening, y'all. I'm plucking. And my peppers, is they coming? Look, yeah, they coming. So I gotta get out here and clean these leaves up, baby. Yes, indeed I do. I got more flowers and, you know, yeah. Take this stuff off of here. We ain't doing all that. But yeah. So I got some jalapeno peppers coming, y'all. I think these are jalapeno. I'm thinking. I'm not for sure. But I'm gonna get out here and but I gotta go to work. Oh no, that's the jalapeno. This is sweet peppers over here. That's the sweet peppers. And this right here is the jalapeno. Look at the jalapeno. Yeah. Yeah, look at that baby. Look at her. Oh yeah. I get out here and get my stuff. I gotta get out here and work, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. It takes patience to be in the garden.